Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore persistent volumes in Docker Compose on VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To restore persistent volumes in Docker Compose on your VPS, begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Use the terminal and log in with your username and password. Navigate to the directory where your Docker Compose file is located. Open the Docker Compose YAML file in a text editor. Look for the volumes section in the YAML file. Make sure the paths for the persistent volumes are correctly defined. If you are restoring from a backup, locate the backup files on your server. Stop the Docker containers associated with the volumes you wish to restore. Run the command docker compose down to stop the containers. Next, remove the current volume data that needs restoring. Use the command docker volume rm volume_name to delete the volume. After removing the old volume, create a new volume using the same name. Run the command docker volume create volume_name to create the volume. Now, you will copy the data from your backup to the newly created volume. Use the command docker run rmv backup_path v volume_name alpine cp or backup. Ensure you replace backup_path and volume_name with the actual paths. Once the data has been copied, verify that the data is correctly restored. Check the contents of the volume by running docker run rmv volume_name alpine ls volume_name /. Now that your volume data is restored, it's time to start your Docker containers again. Run the command docker compose upd to bring the containers back online. Take a moment to confirm that your application is functioning as expected. Finally, monitor the logs for any errors or issues during startup. You have successfully restored persistent volumes in Docker Compose on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.